What's the meaning of adopt? Adopt. 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 The word adopt means to legally take on the responsibility of caring for someone or something as one's own. It can refer to the act of bringing a child into a family through legal means, accepting a new habit or idea, or taking on a pet. The result of adoption is a bond of love and commitment between the adoptive parent and the adopted person or animal. This bond creates a sense of belonging and security for the adopted individual, and provides a stable and supportive environment for them to thrive in.